friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the B major cadence. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, and always feel free to share your video with friends and family. Okay, first off, we're going to be talking about the key of B major. Our three chords in the key of B major are going to be, our one chord is going to be B major, our 4 chord is going to be E major, and our 5/7 dominant 7 chord is going to be F sharp 7. Okay, so let's take a look at what B major looks like. B major has the notes B, D sharp, and F sharp. Our 4 chord is E, and we're going to be playing that in second inversion like this. So it's B, E, G sharp. Okay. Then our final chord that we're going to learn today, F sharp 7. And for this cadence, we're going to be playing it inverted like this with A sharp, E, F sharp. Okay, let's put those 3 chords together with the right hand. We're going to play them in the order of the 1 chord, the 4 chord, 1 chord, 5/7, and back to 1, like this. So you play B major, E major, B major, F sharp 7. Back to B major. All right, now let's check it out in the left hand. So the left hand is going to use the same notes. The fingering is just slightly different. So for B major, we've got B, D sharp, F sharp. For our E major, we're going to play B, E, G sharp, but notice that we're now using our second finger on the E and not the third finger that we used in the right hand. Okay? And then our final chord is F sharp 7, which is played with A sharp, 2 on the E, thumb on F sharp. And then we go back to B. So with the left hand, it looks like this. B, E major, B, F sharp 7, back to B major. All right, when we put that together, the main thing you're going to notice is that the right hand is going to be using the third finger for each chord except for the F sharp 7. And the left hand is going to be alternating between 3 and 2 for every chord. Okay, so please be aware of that fingering. It's actually very important and protects your hand and just makes it easier to play in the long run. Maybe not at first. Okay, so here's our full authentic cadence for the key of B major. So we got B major, E major, B major, F sharp 7. And we're going to end on B major. So there you go. That's how you play the B major full authentic cadence. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Feel free to share this video, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.